yung nag-liver alone. So, explain mo sa patient na you are always there for her, and care mo sa ila, so that the patient, hindi siya, kasi nga, siya lagi ang tao na ulit sa iya. So, i-explain na sa iya, yung may kapalangga sa iya. Next, explain to the patient the importance of daily routine so that she will forget the things that happen to her. So, explain naman sa iya ang importance daily routine, just like cleaning the environment, cleaning the house, or whatever, so that forget niya ang past experiences niya about siyang case. Next is, if necessary, try to avoid recalling about the traumatic experiences. If necessary, i-avoid na ang pagsurya about some nakitabo sa iya is because this will cause cause of recalling about what happened to her. Next is let the patient imagine that she is in a safe place and nothing to worry about. So, just like sa iyang lugar to po, she is in the Balay Pasilungan. So, according to her, she feels safe because she is there and someone loves her, especially with someone that takes care of her sa Balay Pasilungan. Next, let her feel that you are ready to listen all about the worries and whatever she wants to reduce the anxiety. So that's it. That's all about our report and our case. Thank you.